Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today we just got us some good old chicken wings. I was in the mood for something good to eat, and it don't matter the day, it don't matter the time. You can't never go wrong with some good old chicken wings. So come on guys, let's go. So I'm starting out with these wingettes. I got them in some water with some lemon juice as well. I like to make sure they're good and clean. So now I'm just going to dry them off and put them on the plate so I can get ready to season. So I'm going in with some adobo, onion, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. As usual, I'm going to season both sides of these chicken wings, making sure that they come out very flavorful. Now on to the other side. Like I said, making sure I get them well coated. Then I'm going to add me a little bit of lemon juice. So now for the flour. I'm making sure that I season that as well. Making sure I blend it all in before I add my chicken. Time to drop them into this well-seasoned flour mixture. So now we get closer and closer to the finish. I love this part when we drop them in the grease because now it's just a few more minutes before we can eat. And voila, just like that. That's what I'm talking about. Well, you know, there's really never enough chicken wings, so I'm just going ahead and drop me a couple of more. I got to. And now the moment that I know I've been waiting for. They are up, they are ready, and so am I. So now, guys, I got them all plated up just to show you how they look in the end. Minus a few I done ate off camera. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. But again, chicken wings, everybody know you can't go wrong. I mean, like, who don't like a chicken wing? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button and share. I truly thank you for your support and taking the time out for watching my video. Until the next time, I hope to see you there.